We will begin the lesson by looking at the tricky words. So pause the video now and have a look at these, see how many you can read today. Okay, let's now recap some of the sounds that we've already learnt. This is our kicking k, so it's a k sound. A. S. P. P. T. O. G. D. K. Curly K. And I. Okay, hopefully you joined in and did very well. So today's sound is a new sound, and it is two letters that make one sound. And when we have two letters making one sound, we don't just put a dot underneath, we put a line to show that it is one sound. And two letters making one sound is called a digraph. Okay, so our digraph is C and a K, and the sound that it makes, so we spell digraph like that. Okay, the sound that it makes is a k sound. So that's actually quite easy because we know that each of these sounds and letters on their own make a k sound. So it's just those two letters together making a k sound. My turn, k. Your turn. 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 Okay, well done. So we've already actually practiced both of these letters and how to form them. So when we put them together, they must sit next to each other. Okay, so we curl around the caterpillar, and then we go down the kangaroo, its tail and its leg. So they sit right next to each other. So I'll leave a little bit of a gap, and we go round the caterpillar, curl around the caterpillar, down the kangaroo's body, up his leg and down his tail. Okay, pause the video now and have a go at doing that. Make sure that these two letters are next to each other, and then you leave a space when you do another sound. So I want this 5 times. Okay, off you go. Okay, let's now have a look at some words that have this sound in. Okay, so as you'll notice, I've put on the sound buttons, so individual sounds have a dot, but this one, because it's a digraph, has a line underneath both letters. And you'll notice on all of the words that the CK, the k sound, is usually at the end of a word. So I will segment the words, and I'd like you to have a go at blending them back together. K, I, k. Kick, did you get it? Sock. Sock. Sack. Sack. Pick. Pick. Sick. Sick. Okay, well done everybody. So this time you're going to get your robot arms out and you're going to segment and blend it together. So pause the video now and read those 5 words on your own. Well done. Okay, let's have a quick look at some captions. So we've got 2 captions here, and some of them have got tricky words in them. Okay, so it says to the sack. To the sack. Can you have a go at that one? Okay, next one, I'm not going to say it. Pause the video, have a go. Let's see what it was. K, kick the sock. Sock. Kick the sock. Okay, let's now see if we can have a go at writing some of those words. So that's our sound on our board, our digraph. Okay, the first word I would like you to write is the word kick. Pause the video and have a go. Kick. We begin with our kicking k sound. K, I, k, kick. Next one. sack, sack, sack. Sack, sack. Did you get it? Next one is pick, p-ick, pick. P-ick, pick. And last one, sock, sock. Okay, hopefully you got those all right. Okay, let's have another go now at writing a caption. So the first caption I'd like you to practice is to the sack. To the sack. Pause your video now. To the sack. So these two are tricky words that we've been learning. Next one is kick the sock. Kick the sock. Pause your video and write your sentence now. Kick the sock. Did you remember your CK sound on those words? Hopefully you did. Okay, well done.